Hello everyone, welcome to BST lectures. In the previous video, we have discussed about different categories of EC2 instances, right? In this video, we will learn about EC2 pricing models. In Amazon, we are having many types of pricing models. In Amazon, there is a speciality that we will pay for what we have used, right? The first point says that with Amazon, we can pay only for what we use. Next, Amazon EC2 offers a variety of pricing options for different use cases. We are having a variety of pricing options which are listed here. These are divided into 5 categories. Those are on-demand, reserved, EC2 Instant Savings Plan, spot instances and dedicated hosts. These 5 are the 5 categories of the pricing options available in EC2. And here we are having different use cases for these all 5 different categories. We will discuss it in this video. Okay, now the first EC2 pricing model is on-demand instances. Here are the only key points. I will explain in detail about each key point, right? Short term. On-demand instances are ideal for short-term and irregular workloads. These on-demand instances are ideal for the short-term works, okay, which remains in the short span of time, and it is irregular workloads that cannot be interrupted. It is ideal for the workloads which cannot be interrupted, right? The workloads which cannot be interrupted on instances are used for the short term, and the workloads which cannot be interrupted. The next point is no upfront cost or minimum contracts applied. Means there are no minimum contracts applied while using this on-demand instances of EC2 pricing model. Okay. Next, the use cases of this on-demand instances are: these instances can be used while developing and testing applications and running applications that have unpredictable user patterns. In this type of applications, we will use this on-demand instances. Okay, this and the additional point I am adding is the instances run continuously until you stop them, and you have to pay only for the computation time what you have used, right? Okay, this is whole about on-demand instances. Now let us move to the another one, and the second one is reserved instances. In this reserved instances, we have 2 types. One is the standard reserved instances, and the second one is convertible reserved instances, right? We are having these 2 types of reserved instances, and I will explain this reserved instances by word. If you have any doubts or if you want the notes regarding this, please comment below. Okay. First of all, these reserved instances are billing discount applied to use of on-demand instances in your account. Okay. First, we use these reserved instances for more discount available on-demand, means for greater discounts than on-demand instances, right? In this, we are having 2 types, standard and convertible. Now let us see about the standard reserved instances. These reserved instances are good fit when you know about the EC2 instances type and size. Okay, when you know the type and size of the EC2 instances, these reserved instances are the best fit. Which standard reserved instances are best fit when you know the type and size of the EC2 instances. What is meant by the type and size? If you have experience in the AWS practical, you will find M5 as a type and X large, X micro. These are the sizes. Okay, and you need for your steady state applications and in which the AWS region you plan to run them. Reserved instances require you to state the following qualifications. Which qualifications you need for the standard reserved instances? One is type and the size of the instance, platform description like Microsoft Windows or Red Hat Enterprise Linux, etc. things are required to use the standard reserved instances. Okay. What is that 1 year or 3 year? I have wrote 3 year is the best. I will discuss it now about that. These reserved instances, both reserved instances in the sense both types, are best to choose for 1 year or 3 year planning, right? 3 year is the best use for this type of the instances. Now let us go to the comfortable reserved instances. If you need to run your EC2 instances in different availability zones or different instance type, then you have to use this convertible reserved instances. Okay, this is all about the reserved instances. Now let us see about EC2 savings plan. Okay. Okay, now let us see the third one, which is the Amazon EC2 Savings Plan. Amazon provides a wide variety of savings plans. In same way, it also provides to the EC2 instance also. EC2 instance savings plan reduce your EC2 instance cost when you make an hourly spend commitment to an instance family and region for a 1 or 3 year term. This term commitment results in savings up to 72% compared to on demand. This is very important point to be noted. 72%. 72% you can save while using this savings plan instead of on demand instances. Okay. Now let us see the fourth one, which is the spot instances. Coming to the spot instances, these are the keywords in the spot instances, right? The flexible start and end hours. These spot instances are ideal for the applications or workloads which has a flexible start and end times, or that can withstand the interruptions. This is the one which we doesn't have in the on-demand instances, right? Spot instances can stand with the interruptions and it can save up to 90% of cost compared to the on-demand prices. Okay. Now let us see the last one, which is the dedicated host. Yeah, we have completed four types of instances pricing, and this is the fifth one, which is the dedicated host. Dedicated hosts are the physical servers with Amazon EC2 instances capacity that is fully dedicated to your use. These are the physical servers which are with the Amazon Elastic Compute Services, which are fully dedicated for our use. Okay, you have learned about 5 types of pricing models of EC2 in this video, right? Which is on-demand, reserved, savings plan, spot, and dedicated host. Let us try a quiz question after listening all this video. Okay. Okay. After listening all, let us check our knowledge. Which Amazon EC2 instance pricing option provides a discount when you have a hourly spend commitment to an instance family and region for a 1 year or 3 year term? I have said this question, I have discussed about this topic. Please think for 5 seconds and guess the answer and comment in the comment section. I will reveal the answer after the 5 seconds. I am just giving small hint. Hourly spend commitment 1 or 3 years is the biggest hint in this question. Okay, let me see the answer. That is EC2 Savings Plan. EC2 Savings Plan is the answer for this question. Okay. Hope you understand this topic, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to BST lectures and follow our videos. Thank you.